Hello guys, welcome back to our part 2 of campus management system. Our part 1, we install our adminLTE templates into our project and customize the header, the sidebar and the content with the footer as well. So in this part 2, we will create our database inside our my admin, and name it as a campus system. And after that we will need to create three tables for us to start our CRUD operation in our project. So first of all, let's go into phpMyAdmin. So we create our database. Let's open our phpMyAdmin here. Let's log in to our phpMyAdmin. Inside our admins here, let's click this new. After clicking new, it brings you here. So here let's enter our name of the database. We say campus underscore system, right? And let's create the table. Let's create our database. Our database is successfully created now. Inside our database, inside here, let's click here and let's click our first table. The first table name will be admin underscore table, and the columns will be 7 columns for now. And 7 columns, and let's click go. Okay, now inside the table here, the first field will be ID and it will be auto incremented. Scroll up here, find here auto incremented should be true. Go. Okay, and the second one will be name. That will be voucher 190. That one will be L name, means last name, will be voucher 190 as well. And the fourth one will be password. Not, it will be email, sorry, email, and it will be voucher 190. The fourth one, this one will be password. And it will be voucher 190. The sixth one will be address, and it will be voucher 255. And the seventh one here will be the phone number. Okay, phone number will be voucher, then it will be 50. So let's create our first table, save it. Okay, our first table is created successfully. Now let's create another table for our staff. Then it will be 7 as well. So create. Let's click this create. This one new. Okay, inside here let's give name as staff underscore table, and here let's make it 8, no 7 example, so that we have 3 here, so that if you have any left one you can leave it there. So as you all know, the first field will be ID and it will be auto incremented. Auto increment true. Go like this, and now let's go with the name Raja 190, last name Raja 190, the email Raja 190. Okay, the phone is Raja 190. The phone should be 50 because phone number will not, phone number is 50, and the address is Raja 255, and the DOB, date of birth, is 8, and the created date is underscore at, so it should be date as well. Okay, we did. So let's save our file. Please enter a value length. So which one? Yeah. Okay, here say 190 because I don't put any value length, sorry. And now save this table. Now we have two tables, admin and start. Our last table is the class table. So now let's create this class table, new, then here let's the name is class underscore table, and the first column name will be ID, auto incremented, go, and here will be the class underscore code structure 190, class underscore name structure 190, like this. And now let's save our class as well. Okay, now we have all our three tables inside our database. Now let's go back to our code so that we can create one file inside the view folder and name it admin.php. So let's create this one inside the view folder, create new, save as, like this. inside the view folder. In here, let's make it @_ admin.php. Save. Okay, now it's open here now. So what we need here, let's open our PHP like this, and let's try to include our header, footer, and the sidebars. All these things, let's include them here. So how to do that? Let's try to include like this. So the first one will be the head.php like this, but it's inside the model, so we say model/head.php, and let's get down, say include, we say model slash, no, it's not model, it's model, yeah, it's model, sorry, it's model slash, okay, header dot php like this. Then let's get down again, we say include like this. Now let's go with the sidebar and say sorry, this one should be admin underscore header, and here we have model slash admin underscore sidebar dot php, and we have those one. So here we have 3 like this. We have these 3. We included the head and the header with the sidebar inside our page here. So let's try to save. Let's save and try to, let's go to the page and try to refresh this page and see what we will have. Let's try to pass our route name here. Will be @_ admin.php. Hit enter and see what we will have. Okay, the page is not found because of what, you know why? Because we created this inside our view. So let's pass view here, view slash like this, and hit enter. Let's see. Okay, you see our page is found now, but our includes are not open. You see, because we are in the view, then our these files are inside the model. So how to access them? Let's write here /dot like this to find the path. So do like this, save, go back here, try to refresh and see. Okay, you see now we can able to find the page, but still we have some errors. Let's fix these errors, because let's open the head.php. Inside the head.php, these links, let's add there 2 dot and 1 slash, because we are inside here, so the file are outside. So how to access them? Unless we do this. Yes, so let's try to copy this, copy, find them all like this, find and replace like this, replace this code, paste it here, this, and let's try to find this one, find all. Okay, you see, we find this one all. Then let's try to refresh with this one, replace, Okay, let's say replace all. Okay, like this. So let's remove this one because we have two here. And now in this ones as well, we need to do it like this, and this one, so that we can able to access this the style sheets and the things that we need to access. Do like this. Okay, so let's save this one and go to the page and try to refresh and see. Let's wait. Okay, you see our page is coming step by step, right? But our script is not working, our javascript is not working. So how to do that? Let's go to the footer and do the same thing like we do here. Okay, let's open footer uh, footer. Let's find this. We do. Then let's try to refresh all. Okay, and let's close this. Let's check the ones are not the same with this one. Let's change this as well. Here is. Okay, so that we can able to have access our. Okay, like this dot slash, and this is as well dot slash. So you can able to find all. This one need to have it dot slash. Okay, so I think we are about to done here. So now let's save this. Let's go to our add underscore under here. Let's include another one here, like we say let's close this PHP tag here like this, and open another PHP tag, PHP include like this, and we say slash model slash footer dot PHP. So let's close our PHP tag here, save, go back here, let's try to refresh our page. Okay, our model is footer is coming here, don't worry. Then let's try to check whether our javascript are working or not. So let's do this. Okay, you see our javascript are working fine. You see, let's do this. You see our javascript are working fine, right? So now in the content here, let's go to the admin LTE folder. Inside this admin LTE folder here, let's go to the pages. After pages, let's go to the examples. Now let's go to the forms, and let's choose this last one. Open it. So we open it with the notepad plus plus. So let's check the fields that we need for the admin insertion. Let's go up, and this header, close it. Sidebar, you don't need it. Now we need this content here, right? So let's try to copy this content from this section like this. Copy, this one needs to be copied. Okay, copy this, and let's go to our adminLTE. Inside here is the content. Okay, so here is the main content like this. This is the main content, and here is the main content. Let's paste this in here. After pasting this, let's go back to the file again, this HTML file. Let's copy from the main content here. You see this main content. Let's go up to down here. We need these things only this, we need this only. So let's go back to our admin. Under this section here, let's paste this one there. So let's check. We have a section again, and let's check this row. This row is okay. We have this div 6 here, and box header like form. After the form we have only one, so let's check here. Form have only one, then we need to have three. After the form you have three. Oops. Let's copy this, copy down, paste, down, paste, and here we write here the last section. We close the section here like this. Right, let's save it. Boom. Let's go to the page. Let's try to refresh and see what we will have here. Okay, you see we are having our page is looking like this, but we're still having some error of the design. Let's go back to the page. After that we need another one tag like this. Save, go back here, try to refresh. Okay, you see our page is looking fine now. You see page is looking fine. We have all these things are here now, but I need a model, so that when I click the model I will fetch all my inputs, then I inserted my data inside the model, right? So how to find a model? Let's go back here, and let's go to the UI here, and here we have the models here. Let's open this with Notepad++. Inside adminLTE UI we have model there, so we can check that one. Open it in Notepad++, and here we don't need let's check. We don't need this head again, and we don't need the sidebar. Okay, and here this section models row, and let's search for this one. Let's take this one. Okay, add model, this one. Let's remove this first one, copy. Let's go to add admin. on top of the section here. So you know we have two sections in between them. Let's paste this one there and make it like let's make it admin model, like admin admin, you can say that, admin here. So let's go and find the model inside the model. Let's go and find the model inside the model. So here is the model body. We need this one. Okay, we need this model. Copy this model, and let's go to our admin here. Inside our admin, inside our this form, let's add our model here. Let's remove, no, let me leave this form there, but I will just hide this form like this. Let's add our model inside this thing here, model to be like this, and inside this model body we need to pass our form there, this form. Okay, so let's pass this form inside our model body. Where is the form dot here? Cut this form, come inside the model body. Where is the model? Here is the model. Inside the model body here, paste this form here like this, and quick example, let's move it like, let's make it admin, and this we say admin, and here also you can say admins, like this. Okay, admins, and here we say admin model, so I think we have that one. And now let's try to save and see. Save this, and let's go to the page, try to refresh. Okay, we have this admin here. You see we have our model, but our footer is coming up, and I don't want that. You see our model is coming fine, but let's go back and check the footer. What's the problem with the footer? I can say like this. Let's add another one, copy and paste this one here, go back here, let's try to refresh. Okay, you see now our footer is good now, but I want this button to be here, not here, and I want this button to be inside this, inside. So let's go back, and where is the button? Here is the button. Just cut this button from here. Okay, and inside this admin like this, inside let's add our button here. Let's add our button here, and let's try to make it info to right. Okay, let's give the class to right. So let's save, go back here, let's do like this, just refresh and see. You see, we are having this thing inside here, you see, boom. So when we click this button, our model will pop up. But now let's try to make this thing full weight so that our button will be here. So let's go. Let's check this thing here. The class is called MD6. Let's make it called MD12. Save. Come back and try to refresh. Okay, you see. Now our model is here with the button, right? So when we click here, boom, the things will be pop up here like this. But we need more columns inside here, more input fields. So, and we don't require this add image for now, and we will remove these tools and we try to increase our input so that we can able to start our code operation here. So let's go to the form inside the model. This checkbox, let's remove it, we don't require it. And this input field we don't require it, like this. So we will copy this, copy, underscore, post, paste, paste, paste. Okay, now here we have first name, and the ID, we don't need ID here, just name. We need the name. The name will be equals to like this, first name, and placeholder you will say enter first name like this, and here is last name. So here will be a name. So let's change this thing to name. Okay, we don't need ID here, and here we need this thing like this, enter last name, and here we need email. So it will be like this, email, and the ID will be email. The type also will be email. This type will be text, and this type will be text. Okay, and now let's go email. Placeholder should be enter email, like this, and here is the password. So the name will be password, and enter password like this, enter password, and this one after password what we have, let's check our table, admin table. Here is our, let's check our admin table. Okay, our admin table, let's click and check. after password, what we have, the password we have address, the password we have address, then here will be address as well. This will be enter address, here will be the name, and here will be text. After address, what we have phone. And we don't require this one. Let's remove it. So here is the name will be phone. And here is enter phone number, like this. So let's save this and go back to our page. Let's try to refresh and see. Let's refresh. After refreshing, let's try to click this add admin. So inside the model you will see that we have, okay, you see we have this thing like this, right? We have add admin, first name, last name, but I will make this thing to be called MD6 so that we will not have our model to be not long like this, so that our model will be only here, so that it will be very easier for us to input our stuff inside. So let's go back to the code. The class is like this from control, right? Then I will add here call md-6. Okay, then copy this call md6, and after this from group here, paste it inside the from group, each of the from groups like this. So paste them inside each like this. So we have it like this. Let's save it, go back and refresh the page. Let's try to open the model and see. Okay, you see it's looking nice, right? We have our admin first name, last name, email, phone, like this. So we have all like this, and I don't need this button here. I will remove this button, this submit button. This submit button will need to be removed from here and make it like this. So here we need to save admin like this. Boom, save. And this, let's remove this thing pull right. So let's make it warning. Let's make it to be cancel. And this one will be okay, save. But let's make it success. Let's try to refresh and see. Let's try to open our model again. You see, our thing is looking nice, right? We have our cancel and we have this. So now let's try to save our admin post record into our database, but we need to create the connection. So in here, let's create one new file here, and inside this file let's save as let's go outside from the view here. Let's save this thing here. We say database, we say let's write there the database.php like this, and we save it. So inside here, let's open our PHP tag inside here. Let's make it like this. So here, let's create one DB variable and assign it with new MySQL I like this. So here we need 4 parameters: 1 parameter, 2 parameter, 3 parameter, 4 parameter like this. Okay, so the first parameter will be the localhost. The second parameter will be the username. Good. The third parameter will be the password, and password is empty. Fourth parameter is the name of our database, campus underscore system. So here is it. So here let's write if condition here. Let's check if for error, like if it's not equals to db like this. So we echo something like this. If like this, we say echo connection failed, and we do here like this. We say the connection failed dot, you can say MySQL I underscore connection error, connection like this. So let's save. Okay, so let's go back to the admin here, and inside admin here, on top of this, on top of this model, I will create here the query of MySQL. Okay, so I will open one new PHP tag here like this, and I will try to insert our data into our database table. So let's try to include our connection string here. We will say include like this, and we say database dot php like this. So we include this class like this. So inside here, let's create our new variable SQL equals to like this. Inside info admin underscore table like this, and we say name, name, email, password, address, phone. So the value here, the value should be like this, and the value will be like this. Then we need to let's do the post. We post like this, and we put for the name, but before that, let's create one if it's a condition here. is set $_ post like this. And what is the name of our form here? This name, we don't have name here, so let's try to give name equals to like this. Name equals to at admin like this. So the type is submit. Okay, so we take this name from here, and let's go back up, and if we set this, let's paste this name here. If we set admin, so let's make it like this. Okay, to be nice. So after we make this, let's do it like this. Let's copy this one and paste it again. Let's cut and get down so that we can have space like this. Here also paste it again. We have a name, email, password, address, and one more is the phone, right? So let's say like this. So here we say if condition, if query, like if request, if db, like this, if db query equals to like this, SQL. So make it like this. Echo admin data inserted successfully, else like this, echo admin data not inserted successfully like this. And let's write one header here, header function, this thing. Let's make it location like this. We say add underscore admin dot copy, and let's copy this, copy from here, paste it here. Now let's save this and try to run our first query and see whether we are able to insert or not. So we go to the page, let's refresh. Okay, now let's try to insert our first query. Let's click here, let's insert my name, and the phone number, maybe like this. Oh, sorry, we have some error. Here is the tag. Okay, should be the phone number. So let's try insert. check add admin. If you set this dollar underscore post insert into admin table, then okay, the form action. Where is the form? Sorry, because of the form here we don't make here in the post. So method equals to post and yeah, like an action equals to add underscore admin.php, like this. Save. So let's go back and the phone. Okay, should be text. Save. Okay, let's go back and try refresh. Okay, now let's okay, and now let's fill the fields. I fill all my fields with automatic. I fill all the fields. Okay, now let's try to save admin. Click save admin. Okay, now we don't have any errors. Now let's go back to the database and try to check whether our record is inserted successfully or not. Okay, you see we have our record inserted successfully. You see, and now let's add another one again and see. See, let's add another one. I add this one. Singate. Let's see. Times left like this. So basically left on that side here. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So now let's check set database again. Okay, and you see now we are having two records in our database. The first record is Alagis Nate and the second record is the diamond sealer. So our insert functionality is working. So I will stop the project here till our next meeting. So see you next time. I'll be with you. Thank you.